I just didn't let poverty stop me. Simple. I started working at 15 because I needed money. I started learning how to save money when I started cutting grass. I started learning how to invest my money and make it work for me when I turned 18. I started learning marketing and got good at it by the time I was 25. I learned this social media game to the T in the last few years. I understood attraction marketing and mastered that in the last year. I say all that to say this: every day you can either be upgrading your skills, upgrading your situation, or you can be making it worse. There's a lot of people who didn't believe in the vision, and now they've missed, over a decade of knowledge, and they're still trying to figure it out. Being broke or in a bad financial situation is not the problem. It's when you don't have any idea on how to get out the situation. A person that has a business but is not getting sales right now is way more better than someone who has no business and nothing to get them out the situation. You might have to replay this video again, but if you've seen this in time, I usually help 25 people a day learn social media, launch a service-based business that they can use to fund whatever dream they have. Drop 25 in the comment section if you want to be my next success story.